We got the tint guys working extra hard today. Got two teams going on right now. Got T over here, we're just finishing up the full XR ceramic tint on the Chevy Cruze. They're doing the visor, and then that's gonna be good to go for the customer. And then in the actual tint bay is another Silverado that's just getting a visor done. Ethan's over there spraying it, getting it clean, and that's gonna back out. They're gonna check it out and get it ready for the guy to get out of here. Over in the ceramic bay, the one and only horsepower obsessed C8's over here. We re-ceramic coated this thing just to give it its luster back, make it shiny and just act hydrophobic. It's looking good, it's curing right now, and Justin's gonna pick it up tomorrow. Keem's actually in the door cups right now, polishing those out before he throws an 8-year premium ceramic coating on this Volvo. It's little details like that that just make the ceramic coating that extra special. Then Tyler just finished up the hood vinyl piece on this F250. I don't know if the camera catches this, but the customer wanted something a little bit different, so we added this color changing vinyl cool design on the hood there for him just to stick out and look awesome. Then we have this big black Suburban in here that just got a Fusion 4-year ceramic coating on it. The paint on this thing is a lot. Caleb did his thing though, polished all the scratches and imperfections out of that, got it looking like a mirror again, and then threw on some 4-year Fusion ceramic coating. That's curing right now, waiting to go back to the customer. Over in the PPF bay, these guys are having a week. They're killing it right now. Just finished up the full wrap on the Z06. This thing got everything. We did a full 10 mil wrap, an 8-year premium coating, an interior ceramic coating, then windshield protection, then window tint, and windshield tint as well. So this got the works, it's looking great. That's cured, that was outside already. It's waiting for ceramic, and then it'll be ready to go to the customer. PPF Bay right now, they're actually doing a 10 mil full wrap on this Mercedes as well. They got about it halfway done. They're gonna get it outside once it's done, check it over, and it'll be good to go back. I'm not gonna make you guys walk the whole way down there, but at the bottom of the lot is an Audi S5 that we're gonna do a full wrap on. There were some imperfections in the paint that we didn't like, so we got a hold of the customer and our painter, Corey. He's gonna come in, fix those imperfections on the paint, then give it back to us so we can finish up the wrap, and that'll be good to go next week. It is nice out though, so I'll make you guys walk to the front with me. Last but not least is our last project of the week is this 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan. We're doing a full 10 mil wrap on this. They did already finish up the tint. We did full tint everywhere as well as the windshield. And then we're gonna finish it up with an 8-year ceramic coating, and that'll be good to go end of this week. Let me send it down to Gibby and see what those guys are up to.
Mach-E here. We're gonna do an impromptu track package, which is gonna get whole front clip, our fenders, full hood. We're gonna do up to this body line right here, mirrors, A-pillar, partial roof, back to about here-ish. So this customer will get the protection from stuff that's coming from the tires, as well as everything that's oncoming. Next up, from our friends at City Collision. Just had an accident car. There's a scratch in the tint, so we got them taken care of here with our XR line ceramic tint. Match it up as best as we can to match the back. So it looks good, and they're ready to come pick up whenever they're ready. BMW 5 Series from our friends at P&W B&W. We're gonna do our XR line tint all the way around. 35%, give it a nice charcoal look. Probably match this satin paint that they have going on here. I've never seen one of these from BMW in a 5 Series before, so it looks pretty good. So we'll get them squared away. We appreciate all the businesses, all the work we can do for our local car dealerships. So keep us in mind if there's any way we can help you guys out. I'm sure you guys, this looks familiar. Good friend Tom from PCA, Porsche Club of America, has this car here for storage. We're trying to course him into a correction and coating. Mark, our correction specialist, has definitely pointed that out. We'd love to have the opportunity to do that. I think he should. I don't know what you guys think, but we'd love to get our hands on it and polish it up as nice as we can. A prime example of why we recommend not taking these beautiful automobiles through automatic car washes. So this unfortunately was done, one of our good customers, unbeknownst to them. So you can see all the blue tape that we've done, all the imperfections that are gonna have to be corrected to make them happy. And you can actually maybe see over here, John, there's a dent, which is really unfortunate. So we'll get them taken care of. Here's the finished product on the PPF for the Range Rover. Really good customers, really happy for the relationship we're able to form with them. I'm sure we'll be able to get some additional opportunity to work with them, but as you can see, it turned out really, really great. Again, this is a gloss and then we do a satin film over top. He'll be very happy. Mark will get this one next. We'll do a ceramic coating over top, seal up that PPF, make it easy to clean for years and years to come. Mark really did some nice work on this BMW. This car came in, needed a lot of love, did the correction to it, looks absolutely fantastic. I texted some photos over to the customer. Very, very happy. He's doing a full restoration on this. Last year we did tint on it. This year we're doing the correction and coating. Really, really nice to see something like this brought back. It looks incredible. So, but yeah, fusion coating, 4 years. This car will see a lot of life out of this coating and make it look great for years to come. Behind us, Mini Cooper. I think this is a 2015. Customer already familiar with ceramic tint, so it was, you know, an easy sell, so to say, to get the benefits out of it. As you can see, it looks incredible with Cole and Ian doing what they do best on it. So he'll be very happy. I'm not sure what percentage he did, but it definitely looks dark. I think maybe 5 in the back, 5 in the back, 15 up front. It's the Ian Clark special. Well, that's all we got here at Gibsonia. Appreciate you guys tuning in.
Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, and we'll see you next week.